Like to convert between metric units of length, we've seen this before. If we're going from kilometers to meters, multiply by 1,000. So this is the kind of thing that you will need to memorize at some point, but usually we see this in a formula sheet. So there's 1,000 meters in a kilometer, going from meters to kilometers. We divide because a kilometer is a bigger unit and it looks smaller. And the odd ones out, lots of things are thousands, but to go from meters to centimeters, remember, we're going to multiply by 100 because there's 100 centimeters in a meter. And the other way around, if we're dividing centimeters into how many meters we have, we divide by 100. And the last step, centimeters to millimeters, is a factor of 10. So perimeter is the distance round the outside, round the outside, round the outside of a closed shape. So perimeter has a special name when it's a circle, but for any kind of other closed shape, we call it perimeter. So sides of the same markings, sides of the same markings, go away, go away. Sides of the same markings will have symbols like these. So if I know that that side is 5 centimeters, then I know that that side is also 5 centimeters. So to get the perimeter, we can just add them all up. Perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side. But let's be a little bit smart about this. We know that these two sides that have two slashes on them are the same length, and the other two sides that have one slash are the same length as each other. So the perimeter in this case is going to be equal to 2 12s. You can put 12 plus 12. And to that we're going to add 2 18s because we have one side length of 18 and another side. Remember, adding can be in any order. Now the next one is a little trickier because we aren't given what all the side lengths are, but we can work it out. Because we know that this side length is 6, we know that this one at right angles and this one will equal 6, so that makes that one 1 centimeter. And because we know that this one, 5, has 2 dashes, that means that this one is also 5 centimeters. And then we know that this one plus this one will give us 5. So this one must be 2 centimeters. We have 2 5s, so let's do that first. 2 times 5 plus the rest of our sides. 6, there's a 3, there's a 2, and there's a 1. So what does that equal? 10 plus 6 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Do we need to put those in brackets? Can anybody answer that? The answer is no, because the order of operations tells us we'd have to do the multiplication first anyway. If you're in the mood to put them in brackets because that helps you to see them clearly, do it. Do it. No, there's no stopping you from doing it, but technically we don't have to do it. So the last one in this one is find the unknown side. So for this one, we're going to add the sides up. We know that we have two sides that are the same, and we don't know what x is. So using our algebra, our perimeter is going to be equal to all those sides added up. So we know the perimeter is 16, so that's going to be equal to 2 sets of 5, because we have two sides that are 5, plus 4, plus the unknown. So our perimeter is still 16, so 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus the unknown, and we'll find x by subtracting 14 from both sides, which leaves us 2. Therefore, x is 2 meters.